Hey y'all, I'm back, Sparky Marky Mark here to tell you all that my replacement disc for Donnie Darko has arrived as of last week on a Tuesday. Yep, so it finally arrived and here it is, but where the heck is it? What did I do with it? Well, this is how it comes with. For those who have it, keep this discs thing. In case you maybe want to boost some CDs, put music for your buddy or your girlfriend. So yeah, I'm keeping this safe and sound, dudes. And where did I do with it? The replacement disc? It's in here. Finally, in here. Safe and sound, tucked away. The broken theatrical disc version of the film, bye-bye. It's in the garbage. That's right, y'all. And it's here. This is the replacement disc. It may look the same as you saw before, but it took 4 months for the replacement disc to come. I had to send them I had to notify them. I had to show them the receipt where I bought the item in question. And plus I had to wait, and it took a period of 4 months. Or 5 months, if you will. 5 months. Oh yeah, because April was 5 months ago, and here we are 5 months later, and the replacement disc has arrived. So yeah, more updates soon to come up. And oh yeah, GalaxyCon is doing horror. They're doing the Monsters, MUNSTERS, the Monsters autograph at GalaxyCon. Like, you saw my George Whedon autograph or other ones, check that out. Links will be in the description box down below. So if anyone wants to get their hands on this, or if you want to get it together with the replacement discs or the theatrical version, Grindhouse Video has it. You can order this set, and it also comes with a replacement disc, so you're good to go. So remember, folks, grindhousevideo.com or Groundhouse Releasing. Wow, what the hell? Link will be in the description box down below. So this is Sparky Mark. Oh yeah, before signing off, to those who have heard about Ricou Browning, the Gill Man from Creature from the Black Lagoon trilogies, he's feeling very, very sick, and you better send him a letter to his estate. To those who have Instagram, go for it, but the info will be in the description box down below, but it's your choice. If those who have Instagram, you'll get what I'm saying. So anyways, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care, God bless you, catch you all in the next vid.